Hey, welcome back, my amazing student. So in this lecture here, we're gonna take the next lecture, the last lectures we had, and level up a little bit and learn some different things here. So we're gonna learn how to combine and how to compare tuples, okay? Super simple. So let's use a variable here, and the way that we combine tuples is by using the plus symbol, just like this, and that's it. Now, if you print this, all right, you're gonna get, let me come back here, and you'll see that it is actually combined, all right? Let's actually repeat values in a tuple. How can we do that? Let's go and let's create a variable here called doubled, just like that. And we'll grab fruits, and we'll use the asterisk times 2. So it should repeat every value inside the doubled variable, right? The fruits variable, or tuple, should I say. So we should have apple twice and banana twice. All right. So you can see apple here. And hold on, let me see. Apple and banana. What in the world is going on here? Oh, sorry about that. I am printing this guy out, and I am not printing out double. I actually forgot. Sorry about that. I don't know what I was thinking. Maybe about the plane that actually passed me by really close to my window, because I live in a very high floor. So you can see apple and apple, banana and banana. All right. Sorry about that, guys. I'm not perfect. I try to be, but yeah. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to compare tuples here, okay? And yeah, let's do 1, 2, and 3. And let's do another one here with b variable here, just like that. All right, so this one here, instead of 3, this will have a 4. All right. There we go. So I'm going to use a print statement here. And I'm going to compare A is equal to B. And what is that going to give me? What do you think? It's not, right? So we're going to get false. All right. And we can do a couple more here just to show you. We can say, is A less than B? Or is A greater than B? Right? Boom. False, true, and false. All right, so we can do some comparison there. Super, super cool. Let me give you a real world scenario here and some of these things. So let's say morning sales here. Let's create a tuple. We have shoes, and we have bags. Not bards, right? Let's create another one here. And this one here would be evening sales. Imagine for a minute you have a online store. And what I'm going to do, hats, and this one would be watches. All right. Yeah, I had an example. I was just thinking that. So we're going to say all sales here, and we'll say morning sales plus the evening sales. This is how you would do in the real world scenarios, and then you would print out or do whatever you want with all the sales. Simple as that. Now, if you want to check membership, and you guys remember how to do that, right? We'll use print, and what we can do here, we can say our bags, as an example here, our bags in all sales. All right, so we have shoes and we have bags here. Let's put the uppercase there so it finds it. And let's do uppercase here as well. And let's print that. And you can see that the last statement here, the last line here says true. All right. So just in case you want to do membership. Anyway, guys, this is called membership when we use the in operator, or we use the not in operator. And I do have lectures on all that stuff. So very simple, guys. You learn how to combine and compare tuples on this lecture. Alrighty? Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Like the video if it helped you learn something. And subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you guys on the next lecture. Thank you.